Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons. In this video I'm going to talk about common mistakes that usually students make when solving probability problems in genetics. So I'm going to use this simple example. A family has 3 children. What is the probability that at least one of them is a boy? So what variants we may have? We may have a family with 3 girls. So first variant, 3 girls. Second variant, we may have 3 boys, that all 3 children would be boys. Another variant would be when we would have 2 girls and 1 boy. And the last variant can be when we would have 2 boys and 1 girl. So only one variant we can exclude here when family wouldn't have at least 1 boy. And this is going to be this variant when all the 3 children would be girls. So the answer that students usually give would be 3/4 is probability that at least one child in the family would be a boy. And this is wrong answer. So take a look. For example, 3 girls can be of the following sequence. So first child can be a girl, second child can be a girl, and the third child can be a girl. And the same we can say about situation when family would have 3 boys in a family. So the first child would be boy, second child would be boy, and third child would be a boy. And now take a look what would happen if a family would have 2 girls and 1 boy. So this family may have a girl, and a boy. But another variant can be that the first child would be a girl, second would be a boy, and then a girl. Yet another variant would be then the first child would be boy, and then 2 girls in a row. And if we would take a look at the situation with 2 boys and 1 girl, the same thing. So first we may have 2 boys and a girl. Another variant would be that we can have boy, a girl, and a boy. And another variant would be when the first child would be a girl and then 2 boys. So now let's count how many variants we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 variants, and we only can exclude this variant when family wouldn't have at least 1 boy. And now our calculations would be that probability for a family to have at least 1 boy would be not 3/4 but 7 out of 8. So 7/8 would be a correct answer to this question and not 3/4. The first wrong answer based on the assumption that all 3 variants here happens with the same frequency. So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. And this is wrong. As you see, this variant happens as 1/8. This variant happens with frequency also 1/8. This variant happens with frequency of 3/8. And this variant happens also with frequency 3/8. So these frequencies are not equal. So the correct answer would be probability that 7 out of 8 possible variants would be a family with at least 1 boy. Once again, this type of problems easy to solve if you would think from this point of view. If family may have 3 children, so let's put empty box that would represent each child. So 3 children would give us 3 empty boxes. And Now let's think how many variants we have for the first child, and of course first child can be whether a boy or a girl, so two variants possible here. How many variants we have for the second child? Once again, this can be whether a boy or a girl, and how many variants we have for the third child? Once again, this can be whether a boy or a girl. Now we have to multiply all these probabilities, and we would find that total number of variants would be 8. Different variants, how we may have 3 children. It can be 3 girls, 3 boys, or it can be 2 girls and 1 boy, 3 variants, and 2 boys and 1 girl, also 3 variants are possible. So total number of variants would be 8, and 7 out of 8 would give us probability that at least child would be a boy. I hope this video would help you on your exam and you would be able to choose the correct answer. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates and see you in the next video. Goodbye.